Hey kids! Today we are going to learn how to spell words starting from letter A to letter Z. Let's start with A. A for apple. A P P L E apple. B for ball. B A L L ball. C for cow. C O W cow. D for duck. D U C K duck. E for eagle. E A G L E eagle. F for fish. F I S H fish. G for grapes. G R A P E S grapes. H for horse. H O R S E horse. I for India. I N D I A India. J for jam. J A M jam. K for kite. K I T E kite. L for lion. L I O N lion. M for mango. M A N G O mango. N for nest. N E S T nest. O for orange. O R A N G E orange. P for parrot. P A R R O T parrot. Q for queen. Q U E E N queen. R for rabbit. R A B B I T rabbit. S for sheep. S H E E P sheep. T for train. T R A I N train. U for umbrella. U M B R E L L A umbrella. V for van. V A N van. W for watch. W A T C H watch. X for xylophone. X Y L O B H O N E xylophone. Y for yak. Y A K yak. Z for zoo. Z O O zoo. So now you know how to spell all these words. Keep practicing!